Welcome back, everyone. This is part 3 of serverless computing. Let's dive into details. As a part of the serverless computing, important facts that we discussed already about what is serverless computing and serverless architecture and key benefits. So, if you haven't watched the prior videos, I would certainly recommend you watch it before you dive into this, because there are a lot of foundational aspects that I covered earlier. And in this topic, I'm just pretty much talking about how to, leverage the serverless computing that improves the efficiency of overall projects, overall program, also at an organization level. So let's dive in how to supercharge the efficiency. Serverless computing offers a transformative approach to the application development, allowing users to prioritize writing code over managing the infrastructure. In this presentation, I will be going to explore how serverless computing supercharges the efficiency, enabling developers to focus on what matters most, their code. So, scalability. Scalability made the whole process simple. That's a part of the efficiency, right? So, what is the first one? Streamline the development process. Serverless computing streamlines the development process by abstracting away the infrastructure management task. Developers can focus solely on writing the code. This streamlined approach reduces the development time, accelerating the feature delivery, and boosts the overall development efficiency. It eliminates the infrastructure overhead, which we discussed about that. Then rapid iteration and prototyping. With serverless computing, developers can rapidly iterate and prototype their applications. By focusing on code and leveraging pre-built managed services, developers can quickly integrate the functionalities and experiment with the different features. And this agility enables faster feedback cycles, accelerate the innovation part of it, and enhances the ability to respond to changing business requirement. Seamless scaling on demand. Serverless computing offers a seamless automatic scalability, which we discussed in the prior video about the key benefits. Application built with serverless architectures can scale up and down based on the demand. This scalability ensures optimum performance during the peak periods of high traffic and avoid unnecessary resource allocation during the quieter period. Optimization. Serverless computing provides cost optimization benefits. With its architecture, the businesses pay only for the actual usage of functions and resources. Automatic scaling capabilities of serverless computing help eliminate over provisioning, resulting in cost saving and efficient resource utilization. And the next item is a managed services. Leveraging managed services. Serverless computing leverages the managed services provided by the cloud software providers. These services, such as databases, authentication, caching, messaging, are readily available and easily integrated into the serverless application. For an example, the Netflix example, which I stated in the first video about sharing a customer success story. When a mobile application from England or mobile application from USA is asking for a certain movie, that to traffic would be routed by the load balancer, the elastic load balancer, right, from AWS. It identifies the location based on the nearest path or the nearest data center, so it routes through the load balancer. The API delivery model, it routes back to it. So that API delivery, like an elastic load balancer, is a part of AWS. So, and also there are many other items or the capabilities of AWS, for an example, can be certainly leveraged, and that's basically what leveraging the managed services is about. Developers can take advantage of these services without burden of managing and maintaining them, and further enhancing the efficiency. Collaboration focus. Serverless computing enables better collaboration within the development teams. With the elimination of infrastructure management, developers can focus on their expertise and work together to build a robust and scalable applications. This collaboration fosters innovation, and, knowledge sharing, and efficient utilization of the team resources. So, we discussed several items associated with this topic. Unlock efficiency with serverless computing. It's certainly a revolution in the development process when compared to the traditional methodology. By streamlining the development process, eliminating the infrastructure overhead, and provide a seamless scalability, serverless computing supercharges the efficiency. Embrace the power of serverless computing to supercharge your development process. So this presentation, I talked about the efficiency part of it. Now let's get into the next segment, which is the cost effectiveness. The serverless computing offers a cost effective paradigm shift in application development, allowing businesses to optimize the spending. So let's explore how serverless computing unleashes cost effectiveness by enabling businesses to pay for what they use. This is the cost effective model. If you look at the cost effective model, which you all know, that pay as you go pricing model, then it eliminates the over provisioning. With serverless computing, over provisioning resources become a thing of the past. You do not have to do that. So applications automatically scale up and down or down based on the demand, ensuring optimal resource utilization. This eliminates the need for provisioning and pay for resources that are not actively leveraged, resulting in significant cost savings. Next one is no idle resources. Serverless computing minimizes the wastage of resources. Resources are provisioned only when a function is invoked, and they are released once the execution is complete. This on-demand allocation of resources prevents the accumulation of idle resources, optimizing costs and maximizing the efficiency. Dynamic scaling option, which is certainly a cost optimization technique. As the workload increases, the functions scale up to handle the additional load. When it goes down, the resources automatically scale down. It reduces the cost by avoiding unnecessary resource allocation method. Reduce overhead in terms of an operational aspect of it. So serverless computing reduces operational overhead and associated costs. Businesses no longer need to worry about infrastructure management, server management, software updates. This free apps, resources, and budget, allowing businesses to focus on core competencies and allocate funds to value added activities. Flexibility. The flexibility for budget optimization. Businesses can allocate their resources to areas that bring more value or the most value and adjust their spending according to the changing needs. Cost savings. Cost savings is so important in this aspect because it is, in other words, cost transparency and predictability. Serverless computing provides accurate cost transparency and predictability. Businesses have visibility into their usage patterns, associated costs, allowing them to make informed decisions. With clear cost breakdowns, businesses can optimize their spending, identify the area of improvement, and plan for future growth efficiency. It's certainly needed for a good budgetary model. Serverless computing unlocks cost effectiveness, which we discussed. It is eliminating over provisioning on all these things. So I conclude this presentation. We discussed a lot in this video. So please watch the part one and part two along with this part three. You're gonna enjoy the serverless computing. If you do have more questions, please email it to us at contact us at rctech.org. If you like this video, please like it. Subscribe to our channel so we further grow and help more business and individuals gonna learning about the cloud computing technologies. Please don't forget to our subscription, and thanks for watching the video.